Hello, I'm Greg Ledbetter with PS Engineering. I'm going to introduce today some of our business aviation audio systems. Right now we have the PAC 37 that we introduced last year at the MPI. It actually is a plug-and-play replacement to the Baker 1045 audio systems. Some of the changes that we added to it that was over the Baker is the individual volume controls of the audio system. We also added our patented IntelliVox audio system. We've added individual Bluetooth modules for each side, pilot and co-pilot. And we also have a configuration 26-pin connector on the back. So if you want to wire in stereo headsets, A&R power to the Bose headsets, and also additional switched and unswitched inputs. The system, PAC 37, has been out for a year. And for this year, we released the PAC 35 audio panel. The PAC 35 is the sister version of the PAC 37, which replaces the Baker 1035 audio panel. Very similar configuration with the individual volume switch, volume controls. Both systems have our HRTF multi-talker dimensional sound. On the PAC 35, we did add dual USB charging ports for additional capability. Pricing on the PAC 37 is $28.95, and pricing on the PAC 35 is $25,995. Thank you.